What up, y'all? Back with another $100 challenge. Today we're at Ocean State Job Lot, a store that I've never stepped foot in, not even one time. So hopefully it produces, hopefully it's fire. Either way, as always, we're not gonna stop this video until I spent $100 showing you guys at home exactly how you could take $100 without quitting your job, without, freeing up 30 hours of your week. I'm gonna show you how you can take $100 in 1 to 2 hours of your time and go flip that and make money from that. So stay tuned and let's get into it. $15 scrub daddies, bro. They're taxing, boy. What the hell? They're tweaking out here. So far, it's not looking that good. Why are they just charging a flat $4 for every candy? Peelable tangerine gummies? Whoa. Sounds good. Oh man, they got 7-Eleven candy here? What the fuck? Sour lemon drops. Whoa. They got boxes of this shit up there. Alright, we found one little John. We found one little winner. $41 buy cost, $35 profit. 656 BSR, 400 plus sold a month. $379 buy cost, $12 sale price. Amazon is on the listing, but when I look at the buy box, I can see that they have less than 75%. And the other sales are suppressed, which is meaning that's coming from the FBM sellers who are selling it at that $11.99 price. 85% ROI. 11 units cost me $41 and it makes me $35 profit. So almost a 100% ROI on these. Almost. So I'll grab these. If only they weren't taxing on some of these other candies. Not gonna lie, these are profitable. Even though it's Valentine's Day candy, we can see that they're still selling currently 200 times a month in February. And the offer count is going down. Buy box is showing mostly suppressed, which is because this is a $3 item that's selling for $11.50. Selling 200 times a month. I'm not copping that. Bro, like $2.99 for one of these chocolates, bro? Are you shitting me? Strawberry Kit Kats for $5. 2 of them's going for $14. So obviously that ain't gonna work. Hold up, we might have hit the blue diamond jackpot right here. We sell nuts. We do sell nuts. There's no offers right now, which means if I hop on this listing, I'll be the only one. And we can see that this has been out of stock for almost a month. When it was in stock, it was selling 800 times a month. That would be good FBA, but not busting. I really should come here with my grandma and get that 20% off. Just looking around, man. This brand is actually fire. Bob's Red Mill. Is it profitable though? $3.25. Like, these prices are damn near retail, bro. No way. These might go. Nando's. This is a London-based restaurant. Boom, got one. But I have 1 unit. You shitting me? Nando's spicy garlic mayo, selling for $150 in the store. 3-pack right now on Amazon is going for $24. it would cost me $4.50 to buy 1 unit, and I would make $9.40 profit off each unit, giving me a 209% ROI. Currently, it is selling 200 plus times a month. The offer count is going down, looking beautiful. FBM price is higher than the FBA price, and the buy box looks amazing. But in the store, they only have 5, which is literally only 1 unit, so that doesn't really get me anywhere. They don't got no more Nandos up here, man. Come on. We'll take the 1 unit. We'll take the 1 unit of this. No motion. Mango marinade, sriracha, lemon pepper garlic. We gotta find the bussers. We gotta find the bussers. I'm not eating those shiitake chips, boy. Shit just makes me want to throw up. Fuck going on in here? As you can see, this is all I have in my cart. That's why some of y'all are not good at Amazon, because you have one bad day, one bad experience, one day of can't find things, and then you just think it don't work. Y'all have seen videos with me with a cart piled up to here, and then today's video, this is all I got so far. Some days it is a grind. Greek organic mountain tea. Trapper. Real trapper. These fucking guys, bro. This was like $2.50. I'm copping. But they want to make everything $3.99 in this motherfucker. They should just name this the $3.99 store. Uh-oh. Louisiana tea, mint rose, and blossom. We got $3 buy cost. Selling on Amazon for $10.40 currently. 7,000 sales a month with a 673 BSR 1%. 257 profit per unit. FBM. Buy box is phenomenal. Split up amongst all the people. We got 7 units, so that's going to be a $21 buy cost, $18 profit. And then we got the peach flavor, which is selling for a little bit cheaper. $3 buy cost, 59% ROI. This one is selling 100 times a month. Actually, I'm not gonna get these ones because I'm not feeling how the buy box looks. But this is a tough one today. But we still have that whole drink aisle. But we might cook. Not coming up. Well, guys, I'm gonna get a job here because I can't fucking make any money here, so I might as well just get a job. GoFundMe link in bio. Help me pay for my truck because this ain't gonna work. There was a couple of things I could have got that I passed up on that would have put me over 100.
You think you want to grab those?
No.
She's been in the back with Ellen.
Job lot is fucking trash. I spent $65. We're gonna run the numbers when we get in the car and see how much profit we got. But this is all we got out of there. We spent a good hour in the store. We were very thorough. We scanned a lot of shit. And there was a lot of shit that was selling on Amazon, but the prices in that store were just way too high to make any money. These fucking 1 unit of this dumbass mayonnaise was the most profitable thing that we found. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Let's run these punk ass numbers. I scanned 108 items in that store. So I scanned about 100 items in an hour. So if you're scanning less than that and you can't find anything, stop fucking bitching. Because I just spent an hour and only got 3 things out of 100 items. That should put it in perspective for you at how many things you have to scan to find products to sell. I scanned 108 items and I only left with 3 products. So added up the profits from everything going off the current buy box. We spent $64 and it's gonna profit us $72.69. So even though we didn't technically hit $100 buy, just because we couldn't find that much stuff in here, we still end up doubling our money in an hour. So let's just break this down, right? I spent 1 hour scanning. Let's just say it takes me another hour to list and ship this stuff once it sells. That's 2 hours for $72. That's $36 an hour. So even when Amazon is slow and difficult, we can still make about $36 an hour. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.